Today, we're learning the Chinese character 是. 是 is a very useful character that carries the idea of form, style, pattern, method, or type. Whenever you see 是 in a Chinese word, it usually tells you that the word is describing a particular way of doing something, a certain style, or a specific form. For example, 方式 means method, 形式 means form, 正式 means formal, 中式 means Chinese style. Although these words are used in very different situations, they're all connected by the same core idea, a particular form or style. Once you understand this one character, you'll start recognizing the meanings of many new Chinese words without memorizing each one individually. Let's see how native speakers naturally use it. Let's take a closer look at these 10 useful words that contain the character 是. The first word is 方式, which means method or way. The character 方 originally means direction, while 式 refers to a form or method. Together, they describe the way something is done. For example, if someone says 你可以换一种方式试试看, they're suggesting that you try a different approach. Native speakers use 方式 all the time when talking about learning, solving problems, working, or communicating. Our second word is 形式, meaning form, format, or presentation. 形 means shape or appearance, and 式 adds the idea of form or style. While 内容 or content tells us what's inside, 形式 describes how it's presented. That's why people often say 内容很重要, 不过形式也很重要, meaning that content is important, but presentation matters too. Next is 正式, meaning formal or official. The character 正 means proper or correct, so 正式 literally suggests the proper form. It's commonly used for official events, formal occasions, documents, meetings, or announcements. For example, 我们下周正式开始上课 means we'll officially start classes next week. Whenever something becomes official, 正式 is the perfect word to use. Our fourth word is 仪式, meaning ceremony or ritual. 仪 refers to etiquette or ceremonial behavior, while 式 describes the formal structure of an event. Whether it's a wedding, graduation, or opening ceremony, 仪式 emphasizes the organized sequence of activities that makes the occasion feel meaningful. For example, 婚礼仪式马上就要开始了 means the wedding ceremony is about to begin. The fifth word is 样式, which means style, design, or appearance. Yang refers to a sample or appearance, and 式 tells us it's talking about a particular style. You'll often hear this word when discussing clothing, furniture, decorations, or product designs. For example, 我很喜欢这件衣服的样式 means I really like the design of this piece of clothing. The sixth word is 款式. Another very common word meaning style, model, or design, especially for products. Although it is similar to 样式, 款式 is used much more often when talking about clothing, shoes, bags, phones, furniture, and other items for sale. If a store offers the same product in several designs, you can say 这款手机有好几种款式, meaning this phone comes in several different styles. Our seventh word is 算式, meaning mathematical expression or arithmetic formula. 算 means to calculate, while 式 refers to a formula or pattern. Together, they describe the written expression used to perform a calculation. For example, 这个算式很简单，小学生都会做 means this math expression is very simple. Even primary school students can solve it. Next we have 程式. In Taiwan, this word means computer program. 程 means process or procedure, and 式 represents a structured pattern or system. Together, they describe a program made up of organized instructions. In mainland China, however, people usually say 程序 instead. So if you hear 程式, it's often a clue that the speaker is using Taiwanese Mandarin. For example, 这个程式可以自动处理资料 means this program can automatically process data. The ninth word is 西式, meaning Western style. 西 means west, and 式 means style. Native speakers use this word to describe food, architecture, clothing, furniture, or decorations that follow Western traditions. For example, 今天晚上我们去吃西式晚餐吧 means let's have a Western-style dinner tonight. Finally, we have 中式, meaning Chinese style. 中 refers to China, while 式 again means style or form. This word describes things made in a traditional Chinese style, such as food, furniture, buildings, gardens, or interior design. For example, 我很喜欢中式家具 means I really like Chinese-style furniture.